In some Facebook story, you may have seen temperature. If you want to add temperature to your Facebook story, you can do that. In this video, we'll be telling about how to add temperature to your Facebook story. For this, open Facebook application. After that, above you can see one plus button. Click on this plus button. When you are clicking on that, you can see story option. Click on story. When you are clicking on that, you will reach your gallery. From gallery, select the photo or video which you want to post as story. For example, I am selecting this photo. After that, to add temperature, what you need to do is, above you can see stickers option. Click on stickers. When you are clicking on that, here you can see temperature option. Just click on this temperature option. When you are clicking on that, that temperature will be added. If you want to change the style, just click on this temperature. When you are clicking on that, that style will be changed. Here three options are there. Either you can set it in transparent mode, or if you want in black or white mode, you can select that also. Anyways, for example, I am keeping in this mode. If you want to move this, just click here and you can move this. And you can place wherever you want. If you want to increase or decrease size, after selecting this temperature with two fingers, you can change size. For example, I am keeping it in this size. After that, you can place it wherever you want. So now temperature is added. After that, to share this story, just click on share button. When you are clicking on that, that story will be shared. So this way you can easily add temperature in your Facebook story. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.